You all remember this first video that I made? Guess what? Now it's time to see how I harvested. Welcome to my channel. I am Monique D and I am out in the field. I am taking you out to the field. It has been raining. The mullein has been growing. Wow, look how huge they are. You know, mullein grows in poor soil, so you don't need to water it much. It could grow on the side of the road. It could grow by railroad tracks, in the cracks of the sidewalks. They usually have little florets. They start as little florets. They usually have a 2-year lifespan. And here you can see the florets blooming. You can see the morning dew on it. Wow, when I harvest these, I like to pick the rosettes from around the outer edge first, from the bottom up, because I like for it to keep growing. Look how healthy it is. Sorry for the shadow, you all, it's the sun. Look how healthy this mullein is. The leaves are nice and big. They are ready to be harvested. Now this is the seeds. So this is after they become a stalk, the seeds dry up and you can just disperse the seeds. Really, they will regenerate by themselves. This is the other side of the field. And if we keep the mullein going, usually the seeds blow, like here's more seeds. Usually the seeds blow across the field and it just keeps growing and growing and growing. Yep, these are my babies, you all. If you haven't checked out that other video, the first video, you all, that video is so funny going back looking at it. But my first video was all about mullein. It is good for respiratory, your upper respiratory, bronchitis, asthma, anything like that. You have to be careful when you take it as a tea. You want to make sure you put it in a tea bag because of the micro fiber like hairs that's on it. Look at this one. Yeah, go ahead and watch the other video to get more details on the benefits. But right now, let me take you into the drying chamber. So here's the drying chamber right here. I call it the drying chamber, right? And this is where I took some leaves. I harvested these maybe about 4 weeks ago. I went out into the field, picked them, cleaned them real good with love, and they are out on the drying table right now. Take a look at them. You can see they are drying up. Eventually, in about, I would say about maybe 3 more weeks, I'll give it, they will actually be made into a tea and ready to bag up and ship out or consume myself, however it is. But I thank you all for coming to the channel. This is just a quick video, under 4 minutes, and go ahead and check this link out for this video, and until next time.